Hi all, I'm Guru here, guys. I'm back to people. A couple of people were calling me and they're asking about the major difference between smoke and sanity. So if they go for an interview, right, like a junior people, if they go for an interview and in the interview, they will ask the difference between the smoke and sanity kind of testing. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? That is important. Okay. See, for example, if I'm a tester, right? If I would like to start my testing activities, I mean to say, I would like to start the validation part of the product. First, what I need to do, whenever I got a build from the development team, right? Just being a tester, I would like to verify the build. Means sometimes what happens while making the build, right? They may miss the files while integrating from the development team. See, suppose if the product they wanted to integrate, finalize. So it is a fault of build engineer or it may be fault of the coder who may code the code for the product. Okay, build engineer, what he will do, he will check out all the codes and he would like to integrate every code to form one product. Okay, during that the build engineer may miss the files. Okay, or the person may check in the codes with the wrong codes, so there might be a difference. There might be a problem while making a build of the application. Build in the sense integrating every file, coding file into the one source file. I mean to say, one source file, they wanted to integrate everything and they wanted to make a build in the sense all the source files will be one URL, in the one URL. So what happens? So once the build engineer has built the product and build the application, and he would like to install that application in the test server. Okay, so during test server installation also there might be a problem. We don't know anything. Okay, whenever the build got installed in the test server, and so that build will be communicated to the tester, means with a release notes that build will be communicated to the tester through an email communication. Suppose being a tester, right, if I get that particular build, first I would like to check out that build is correct or not. Means, so I would like to verify that build verification. We call it as a build verification is nothing but your smoke testing. Initial level of testing means my module is inside the build. So at least the build should get download, and at least the build should allow me to log in. Once I log into the application, let me check out all my module links are working or not. This is a kind of smoke testing. If if what happens sometimes, whenever you wanted to download the build, right? So there might be a chances of getting page cannot be displayed. There might be a chances of getting the server error. And if you get a server error, page cannot be displayed, right? What is the use? How you will do the testing? Further testing, you cannot. So that is the reason whenever being a tester, if we wanted to test, right, first most thing is we wanted to do the smoke kind of testing. Let me allow build to log in. Let me open the gate of the application. Let me go inside and do something. Execute my test cases. So this is the smoke. Then what is sanity? Sanity in the sense, whenever there will be a new functionality added to the application. Suppose there are a couple of functionality which they are going to add. So that added functionality may impact the earlier functionality which were working fine. To make sure that we wanted to do sanity testing. Sanity testing in the sense which may introduce the new defect because of the adding the earlier functionality. So such kind of testing we call it as a sanity testing. Sanity testing will be performed after the smoke testing. Guys, don't get confused over here. It's a simple funda. Okay. So some people will get, oh, what is smoke? What is sanity? This thing, that thing. No. Smoke testing will be conducted whenever the build got installed in the test server. Being a tester, you are going to perform the testing to do the build verification. That is a smoke testing. Okay. So sanity testing in the sense, in the product, they may introduce the new functionality. They may add the new functionality. They may remove the existing functionality. The adding functionality may not introduce the new defects, may not impact the earlier functionality, which were working fine. Is called as sanity testing. Guys, what I would like to suggest is better join my project work. You will get a sound knowledge and you will get a lot of confidence. Means everything you are doing live, everything you are working with me. I am not only working with one project, guys. I am working with a ERP product as well as a banking product. See, theory will give you only the imagination. So this might be like this might be like that. But here, whenever you are working, right, you will get every parts in your hand and you start implementing yourself. So implementation on the product with respect to testing will give you lot of confidence, so that you can talk to the people, you can work independently because you know the concept and you know how to do everything. So better go to my YouTube channel. There is a particular link. Click on that particular link and click on the subscribe also. You will get the good contents from me. So rather than going for the YouTube, better guys, you join with me. Click on that particular WhatsApp link. You will be back with me. I'm going to start a new batch. Okay. So we will work together and we will make a success for the project work. Thank you guys. I'm very thankful to you people for listening my this video. Subscribe in my channel as well as forward this contents to your friends who are really looking out for the live project work and who wanted to gain the confidence and who wanted to become the freelance tester. This is the best opportunity for them to get in touch with me. Okay. See you guys. I will see you once again in my next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.